Alrighty, everyone, today I'm going to be showing you all how to run your first ever sales Facebook ads, alright? You'll want to go into your Facebook account on your computer. Okay, so you want to go to your Facebook, then go to your these four dots here, and then you just want to go onto Ads Manager, click here, and it will take you onto this page right here. If it doesn't take you to this, you'll have to set it up. It's really easy. Just follow the steps and use all of your correct personal information, such as your real name, real last name, and phone number, etc. Alright, so you'll go over to campaigns on the side, click create. Alright, so this is for e-com, so we want to do a sales campaign. So click sales, continue. You'll be transferred to this page here. So you'll start here. This is where you edit the whole campaign, alright? So just name it what your product is and campaign, alright? So, alright, really just name it whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. Scroll down, and I always recommend running a CBO campaign. That way, once you duplicate all of your ad sets, it can disperse your ad budget out to whichever ad set and ad is winning the most, alright? So I always start off a testing campaign with $50 daily budget, and then don't worry about any of this. You just want to click the blue next. After that, you'll be editing the ad set. So I always just go ad set number 1. Okay, so the conversion location will be a website. Make sure it's not website and app. Make sure it's just website. Then you want to always make sure the performance goal is on maximize number of conversions. Then this is the data set. So this is called your pixel. This is how Facebook is going to be able to track your sales. So then the data can go back to Facebook from Shopify. It'll tell you which one you can scale or not. Alright, so click create dataset. Now this is where you want to name your pixel. So I'm going to just name it my product pixel number 1. And yes, I always create a new pixel every time I'm testing a new product with a new store. Alright, so just press create pixel, and then it's going to prompt you to add in your website URL. So go to Shopify, click the eyeball here, and then go to your online store, and then basically just paste in what the URL of your store. I'll be back when that's finished. Okay, so paste your URL in and click check. Once it has that green tick, click next, and then it's going to prompt you to actually manually insert the code into your store. With this strategy, I'm going to tell you how you can do it without manually writing code and pasting code. Alright, so just X out of this, and then select the dataset, so your pixel. So it's going to be inactive because you haven't used it yet. So just click pixel here, and then the conversion event, and don't worry about this, the error here. Click conversion event, and scroll down to purchase, not initiate checkout. Gotta be purchase, because that's what we're wanting out of this campaign. Okay, so from this section here, from this step, go back to your Shopify store and download Facebook and Instagram. Alright, sweet. Now once we've downloaded Facebook and Instagram, click get started, and then it's going to want you to connect your Facebook account. So this is why I do all of this on the same browser, so it can just link pretty fast. Alright, so go connect account, and it'll pretty much automatically detect your account. Click continue. Okay, so now Shopify and your Facebook account is linked. So this is going to be your business asset. You want to select the business asset that you're currently on right now. So if you just created a new one, you'll probably only see one option, but this is the one that I'm doing it on right now. So click connect. If you don't see your pixel here, go back up to your business portfolio and connect it to a different business portfolio. But for now, we can see our pixel right here that we've just made. So click connect, and you just want to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure data sharing is also maximum, and then click submit for review. This will only take about 30 seconds for the review to finish. And then once you've done that, you're all set, you're all sweet. While we're waiting for this to load, go back to your ads manager, scroll down, and this is going to be your start date. So when you want to start running your ads. So I always go the next day at midnight, 00 for the next day. All right, this will get you a full 24 hours of testing. That way you have the best results, a full 24 hours, and it is more likely to have higher quality customers provide you results and analytics and even sales if you're lucky, if you've created your own luck with this. All right, so for audience, this section here, you'll be able to target different countries. All right, so all you need to do is just click the pen icon. So as you can see, it's automatically targeting my country, Australia. If you want to do United States, just type it in here and select it. All right, so as you can see, targeting 2 countries now in the same campaign. But if you just want to do United States, you just exit out of that. But for this campaign, I'm going to be wanting to do Australia because it's less competitive for me at least. But yeah, United States is a very competitive market depending on what product you're running. That's why you've got to do your product research before you do any of this. But yeah, okay, so Australia, broad targeting. Don't worry about any of this. Keep scrolling down and click next. Okay, so this is where the fun part begins, okay? So this is going to be editing your ad now, your individual ads. So I always go ad number 1, scroll down. This is your Facebook page. They'll probably be wanting you to create one. So what you got to do is just click create Facebook page. I always just select use Facebook profile, same stuff because it just wants to connect to your Instagram. Okay, so next, media setup, make sure you select manual upload. Okay, so for the, just don't worry about this. Make sure for the format, select single image or video, and I always turn this off, multi-advertiser ads. Alright, so your website destination, this is where your customer will land when they click either learn more or shop now or whatever you prompt. Okay, so make sure it's on website, paste that same URL in your sales page. Always do your sales page. Always do your product page. Don't do your home page because they're just going to click off. They're going to get so bored, they're going to click off. All right. So make sure you're targeting, make sure you send them to the right place. In the ad creative, this is where you set up and upload your ad. Okay. So if you're doing image or video, I'm doing video, click it and then click next straight up, click upload. And then I have made my own file of ads that I can run. All right. So I'm going to just select all my ads and upload. Now this can take anywhere between 1 minute to 5 minutes to upload each ad, but yeah, just wait it out and it'll be over pretty soon. But in the meantime, go back to your Shopify store. All right, something went wrong here. Your details couldn't be submitted yet. Alrighty, basically when your Shopify and Facebook Ads Manager is linked up with all the correct information. Mine won't right now. I'm not sure why. It's just an internal problem. But when yours is, come back to this screen and then select the first ad you want to run. So this is ad number 1. Once that is selected, click next, and don't worry about trimming the video unless you need to. But you should have already prepped and edited your video before you uploaded it onto your ads manager. So click skip and continue. Always have your aspect ratio as original for all vertical, square and horizontal formats and sizes. So after that, just click next, and don't worry about doing this yet. We'll do that in a second. So click next, and I always run Advantage plus creative enhancements all turned off. After that, click done. Okay, so once all that is finished, scroll down to this copy editor section. So this is where you edit your copy on either top and bottom of your ad. So for this one, I always go to ChatGPT and create a custom one myself. Okay, so I always just ask it, type in your product and the information about your product and your marketing angles. And well, for me, I have a whole script here that I can run off. So what I would do is I would just copy this script, paste it in, and ask, can you create for me primary text, a headline, and a short description for my new Facebook ads that I'm launching? And then just copy and paste it all in here. And I'll be back when that is finished so I can show you your results. I've made 2 variations of each so I can do a test on 2 different variations of copy. So just copy and paste them in like this. And if you want to make a new variation, just click add text option and you can add your extra line in. So you've got 2 variations there, and for your headline, paste in your 2 variations if you want. Right, and to be real with you guys, I never even do a description. It's not really necessary. After that, the call to action, this is really important. No one's gonna want to see details about your product. Who wants that, right? That's not really gonna prompt them to buy anything. So what you wanna do is you wanna get them in the buying mindset before they get to your website, and select the shop now button. That's the very top one. So click shop now, and as you can see, it'll be showcased on the preview right here. Alright, so after that, your ad is basically finished. Well, your ad is finished. Alright, so you're probably wondering, how do you get multiple different ads in the same ad set? What you do there is you click the three dots here on your ad, and then you click quickly duplicate. Now what this will do is it will quickly duplicate it in the same ad set. Now if you want a new ad set, you do the same thing, quickly duplicate, and it will create another ad set for you. And then basically, to make more ads, just do that, change the title, scroll down, and what you can easily do is delete the video, add media, add video, and click next, and then select your second video, click next, skip and continue, next, make sure all of that is turned off, all the enhancements, and then click done. Now you've got a new ad, and if you want to create, if you want to add in some new primary text, you can. Okay, so then you can just go in here, ask the same thing. By the way, this prompt will be in the description of the video. And yeah, you can just ask it the same thing. It'll spit out the same results. And when you're finished, so you're ready to run your ads, you've done all your ads on the side here, click preview to publish, and then follow the steps. It's like a one button step, right? So there guys, that's how you create your very own ads to run on Facebook for ecom, alright? Now guys, make sure the only thing that I want you to do is subscribe so I can teach more people this.